little tricky if you're using gCADPlus on a Mac under CrossOver, and I have a file here that's already open. Remember, I can go to model space and look at the true model, and it's in this space that I can measure actual distances and get answers that are meaningful, whereas the layout space, in this case A3 landscape, is a presentation, a view of that design put on an A3 sheet. When you want to open in My Documents folder, and you can go to gCADPlus, and we recommend go to the Jobs folder 2019, and we go into this folder here and pick up that particular design. So now we have two drawings operational, and I can switch, in fact we have three, I can switch from one to the other and back again. You might also want to go File and Open and click on My Computer, and you can get to the same destination via Users in my case, and I can go to Documents and again gCADPlus. As we illustrated before, we recommend you keeping your jobs in the Jobs folder, and the jobs in 2019 are all here, and we are back where we were earlier by the browsing. So that going to the Y folder, or Y drive rather, is a little more complex. So I hope that helps a little in understanding how to manage your files in gCADPlus. You can of course throw them, as I've done in a couple of instances, onto the desktop for a quick storage place and then kill those later on. But we do recommend being organised with your files and your jobs. You need to be able to find them very easily. On the subject of finding, if you go to Finder and simply click here .lcd and hit enter, we're searching recents for the moment, but if we pick this Mac with LCD as the .lcd as the storage, you'll see all of the drawing files that are located on your hard disk, and a lot of these of course are Plant 26, and so these are installed when you install gCADPlus. So I hope that helps understand some of the file structures involved when you're using gCADPlus under CrossOver.